Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Thank you for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this powerful oil that you can use to promote hair growth and also moisturize your hair. But before we jump right into today's video, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up. So let's go right into today's video. So my ingredient is going to be clove. We know clove, apart from the fact that it promotes hair growth and adds shine to your hair, it also helps with blood circulation and also has some antifungal and antioxidants that are helpful for your hair growth and also get rid of dandruff. So first of all, you need a clean jar. The next ingredient is going to be my olive oil. So I go in with 2 spoons of cloves and I go ahead to add my olive oil. So because my oil is not that much, I'll be using all the oil that is remaining, and that is it, guys. So depending on the quantity which you want to make, you can always add more oil to it, and you can also add some varieties of natural oils. You don't have to use just one oil. So guys, after adding my oil, I'm going to be stirring this so as to combine the mixture together, and I'm going to be leaving this in a dark corner of my room for about a week. But before I do that, I like to always do the double boiler method to heat it up a bit. This is my clove oil. I actually left this for about 2 weeks, and this is what it looks like. And I also went ahead to add some olive oil, more olive oil, because the one I had before was little and I needed more, so I added more oil. And this is what it looks like. It looks dark brown in color. The next thing we want to do is to strain it out. So I have my wig cap and my bowl I'm going to be using to strain the mixture. I go in there and I stir it up a bit so I don't have anything left underneath the jar. I go ahead and pour my mixture through my strainer, and I'm going to strain this out, making sure that I get out all the oil. Guys, you don't want to waste any oil at all. You want to get out all your oil as much as possible. So this is it, guys. This is what we have. Our clove oil is ready to be used. This is a very moisturizing oil. It also smells exactly like clove. So I went ahead to pour my oil into my applicator bottle for easy application process. I also poured some of my mixtures into a dropper bottle. This is to enable me get into my scalp directly. So guys, if you've watched up to this point in this video, please consider subscribing and also give this video a huge thumbs up. This is a demonstration of how I use my oil to massage my scalp. So if you're feeling itchy in your scalp, just add a few drops of peppermint oil into this oil and massage your scalp properly. You can do a 5 minutes massage and you'll be good to go. Guys, that's the end of today's video. Please, if you have any questions concerning this clove oil or you've tried it before, let me know how it worked for you or what your experience was like, and put it down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're just watching the video for the first time, and give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.